Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Mikulowski from ForexLive.com. This is Forex Quick Look. I'm going to take a look at the dollar versus Swiss franc. We are seeing a tick up in the U.S. dollar. We're seeing yields move off their high levels and or move off their low levels and move higher. The 2-year yield is now up 2 basis points. The 10-year yield is trading just below unchanged on the day. It was much lower earlier today as there was some relief in the debt market, but now we're seeing a rotation back to the upside in yields, and that's sending the U.S. dollar higher. Take a look at the dollar versus Swiss franc. If you go back in time and take a look at the high price going back to November 2022, this is a daily chart, by the way, to the low price from reached in July of this year. The price has been rising steadily to the upside. I think it was, 9 of 10 days yesterday, so it's 10 of 11 days today that we're seeing the price move higher. Yesterday, a big move to the upside took the price into this swing area through here, where we had a number of different swing lows, and through here, finding some support. Yes, we moved below it on a few different occasions, but you can see the amount of times that the price did find support and move higher. Finally, the buyers turned to sellers here, pushing the market to the downside. And this is where the corrective move came up and retested that swing area, also testing the 100-day moving average at the time before, again moving to the downside to our low prices that we saw in July. And since that time, we've seen that this rotation back to the upside and trading yesterday moved back into this swing area here, found some willing sellers closing near the low of it and trading here today. Though, however, we've seen more of an upside momentum in this currency pair testing and moving a little bit through the high of the swing area at 0.91469. Of course, just above that level is also the 38.2% retracement of the same move down from this high right here to the low right here. That level comes in at 0.9161. So not only do we have the 91.47 level or 469 level, but we also have the 38.2% retracement. Ultimately, in a corrective move, which we can still characterize this as a corrective move, at least on the daily chart of this trend move to the downside. You want to see the price get and stay above the 38.2% retracement. If this is more than just a correction of a trend move to the downside, so getting above this 38.2% retracement is a key barometer for the buyers and sellers to determine which side is taking more control. If the buyers cannot get above the 38.2% retracement, it looks like just a 2 or 3 month correction into the 38.2% retracement before we restart the move to the downside. We will see how all that plays out right here, but certainly be aware of that because it is a key area for traders in the dollar versus Swiss. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart, the high price that we saw in trading here today did also move just above the high price that we saw here going back to the month of May, end of May, 0.9146. So there is some concern about that, but this swing area down here where we had an extreme or a lower swing area ahead of the extreme back here in time. This is a 4-hour chart, so this is a couple of weeks of trading through here. You can see how the seller sort of leaned against that area, maybe push the price out down toward these highs right through here, probably around the 91 level. But as long as the price can, on this corrective move, can hold above the 0.9100 level up to the 0.9119 level. Again, I'm thinking about moving this lower level down to this area right through here, which comes in at 0.9170 up to 0.9119. Stay above this area would keep the buyers and the bullish trend going for this currency pair. We will see, but certainly the buyers are more in control in the dollar versus Swiss franc with resistance ahead between the 0.9146 and 0.9162 level. That's my look at the dollar versus Swiss from a tactical perspective. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.